Alright, what's going on everyone? It's Tristan, and today in this video, it's Christmas morning and I'm with my family and we're about to do an unboxing, and I'm gonna show you all all the gifts, different things my family gets and what I get for Christmas. I thought I'd vlog it, show you all some pickups because I asked for different things and some other things. I was mainly surprise me kind of things, so let's see what I get. I'm sorry if I seem super tired. I literally got woken up 2-3 minutes ago and I'm already on the camera, so my mind's a little woozy. I'm exhausted still because I went to sleep pretty late, but hope you all enjoy this video, this Christmas vlog, showing off some hypey stuff. Maybe your boy got the new sweatpants. Just I'll show you all that. These red sweatpants, they got no pockets, but yeah, subscribe if you're new and also drop that like, and yeah, hope you all enjoy this video. So yeah, let's get started. Like my slippers, boys. There's the tree. Oh, bro. There's the stockings.
Let me know.
Cat 1. Cat 2. That's what I'm drinking right now. It's so good. Alright, time to go get some gifts. Stocking. Here's mine. I'm gonna take it off for a sec. Let's see what we get.
Shoot, let me get my...
Alright, boys.
Mom, go,
blue stocking. I'm documenting this for us in later years.
Yeah.
Well, I'm doing that too, but I'm also, we're gonna look back at this. Alright. So, first we got this.
Let's try not.
Sugar.
Mm-mm.
The bad news, I did not go out and buy a Christmas gift. The good news. Hey, App Store and iTunes gift card for $50. That's good. This from Chris?
Yeah.
Yeah. This be useful Apple Music. Maybe I'll buy Apple Music. It's better than Spotify. It pays artists more. There you go. That's my first gift. This one's pretty dope. I like it. Shout out Chris. Chris just got a shout out. Oh, okay. Oh.
These are cute.
Have these been opened?
I opened it just because I wanted
Just to check?
sure.
Okay.
Yeah.
Santa's
cute,
favorite Christmas tree. We got some others. I think, ooh.
They're called reindeer farts.
So is this cotton candy? Mm-hmm. All right, so we got some cotton candy right here. My mom said they're called reindeer farts?
Yep.
All right.
Tyler, you know what that is?
Interesting. That's pretty dope.
I know you would.
All right, these are fire. Lifesavers. These are so good. Thank you.
You're welcome.
And then, what else in the stocking?
Hey, thanks.
Okay, these are two good things. All right, we got 3 Uber gift cards. Your boy can't drive at certain points. So
Yep.
Yeah. 3 of these. This is good. It's 6 Ubers.
You heard.
That's pretty good. You heard?
You heard.
And then we got the Welch's. I'm gonna probably eat these actually right now. So.
I think it fell in the bag.
And then, we got more Welch's. Yeah, there you go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These are my favorite fruit snack ever. Here. So if y'all ever see me, bring me these, and I'll love you forever. All right, and that's the
Let's put that in the
whole
box,
stocking
Tyler.
for me.
He switched it up for me.
But this is nice. There we go. All right, so the stocking empty, but hey, we got some really good stuff. Especially these. These and this are really good. And same with this. This is something different, but I like it. Look at little Tyler guy.
Move your
Look at young boy guy. Boy.
You knocked out my tea, I'm killing you.
Wait, Tyler.
I'm gonna knock off your teeth.
It's out of
And then he got Welch's too. And look at this. I'm actually jealous that you got these, by the way.
I'm not having
You know how if you eat a lot of those,
pay
your
you for
tongue
those.
feels like it's disintegrating?
Yes.
Yeah, but I eat so much sour candy.
Skin off your tongue.
I eat so much sour candy that I don't get that feeling. What about Abby's gift?
Abby gets all.
Abby, what'd you get?
She's on mine.
Get away from the tree.
Get away.
You woke me up at 3 a.m. Is that me?
Yeah.
You about to open my gift for me?
I thought it was my name.
You was about to get beat. You always listen to music loud. Not really. I don't care that you listen to music loud. You got good music taste, so I don't hate it.
What?
I thought you were calling me mom. I was like, okay, Gabby. Alright, next gift. We got, the Ross Simmons. So this is some ice for sure. Why is it focusing on that?
Oh, okay, I take this back.
Yeah,
There's
it's definitely a
actually fun
chain.
things in there.
I know.
I picked this out myself. I'm pretty sure.
That's why I bought it, Tyler.
Oh.
Knew you'd love it.
VIP. So next thing we got right here
Fidget spot.
from Ross Simmons
A fidget
is,
toy set.
wow. Alright, it comes, alright, this is nice because it already has a whole cleaning tool. This is this mat. And then here's what it's going to look like. So this is fire. I got a whole case. Then we got the chain right here. So here, I'm going to put this on. This is 8mm. Yeah, it's just 8mm sterling silver. This is very
Oh,
nice.
that's very nice.
Lobster clamp. That's what these are called. This is my fourth and final
Very
chain.
nice.
I ain't getting no more after this.
Why?
Cause I don't need like
You
20.
can never have too many chains.
I'm not trying to look like. Actually, Nipsey's chains are fire. Never mind. I'm gonna get like 50. Y'all are running through. Tyler's running through the gifts like a marathon.
He really is, man.
Marathon.
Actually,
He's almost done, and I'm a
all
first in like 5 minutes. I'm done. All right. So here are all my chains now, and this one goes with it.
I think I did enough.
I like it. Here you go. Here's a view. This is absurd to a degree. Thank you, Mom. Hey, Mom.
2 days.
Thank you. Get my video. This is for us later and for YouTube. So
Oh.
yeah.
Yeah, he was I just woke up.
I know. Hey, I said that too to the camera. I was honest. I was like, look. All right. Oh, this is a smaller one for me too. From
Small $1 million.
If I could be
Mom.
YouTube famous.
Smaller than $1 million.
I don't know if this blows up. Then yes.
Tyler, did you just say a small one?
A small loan of $1 million. His loan was like $8 million. That's more than $1 million.
That just proves that.
All right, and the next thing we got. Oh, I don't.
I got suckers.
Oh, hold up. That's a whole MacBook. There you go. Fire. That's a newer one too. Yeah, it's like a black mat.
I'll take
That's
this.
really nice. All right, I don't know what this is because I don't even.
You want me to help you open that one, Tyler?
This looks really. Yeah. Okay. You jammed this in here.
Yeah, I did.
Yeah, I want.
It's a war. Yeah, Chris to go. She was on it for you.
Oh.
All right, I don't even know what this next thing is, but it's a mystery. We got the mystery gift. All right, it is still a mystery. I don't know what this is. Okay, hold up. You lied to me.
No, I didn't. I forgot I wrapped it.
It didn't get stolen.
You forgot you wrapped it. Jesus.
No, it's fine. It's fine. I'm not mad at all. All right, so next up, this is this limited watch that I got, and my mom told me that it got stolen, but she just forgot that she wrapped it.
And I was not drinking wine.
I know. But nice case, Invicta watch, got it on like 80% off, and it has a red face, so we got the red Invicta watch, and this is nice.
I only had like an hour to wrap everything, guys, so I was like panicked.
Yeah, no.
That is nice.
This is really nice. It's gonna fit my wrist perfectly too. We're not gonna need to resize this or anything, I can tell. All right, wow, and look, the blue clamp. You notice how it has a blue clamp on a red watch face. I think that's actually pretty nicely done. How about the fanciest one?
Wait, choose your keyboard?
All right, look at this. So, wow, look at that. That's how it goes on the camera. So this is from my mom. This wasn't as expensive as you'd think because I got it on Black Friday. So your boy made a good move. Yeah.
Tyler, don't lose all those gift
All right.
cards.
Yeah. See, look. Here's the original price tag, but I got it for like 80% off. So then do the math. All right. Can't focus on the. Oh, there it is. So $5.95 is what it was. 80% off. Do the math.
You did?
Well, you can show them. Oh, never mind. It's silver. Never mind. It's just blue tape, but it's silver. Clamp. Christmas is far, Mom. Okay. I don't want to mess this up. How do I open this clamp?
Yeah.
It's like one of my first watches, so can you do this for me? I don't want to mess it up. But yeah, this case is nice. Look at this. Somebody got a fancy watch case. It's yellow too. I didn't think this was a watch at all. I should have been able to tell and I couldn't. But there you go, Invicta. They got like cheaper version Rolexes. So I'm gonna grab two right here.
All right.
Two gifts. Two more. But I still have one more I think over there. Maybe they're Gabby's, but I didn't look. I know one of them is, but this one's from her mom too. You blessing me with way too many gifts. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Yeah.
Now remember, not everybody is as fortunate to be.
I wouldn't be telling you thank you this much if I didn't know. I know, I am. That's why I keep telling you thank you. So next up we got this.
I forgot that.
I've read on the back, Mom, that it says Power Core 1000. Is this a portable charger?
Yes.
All right, so next up,
That
we
is
got a
sweet.
portable charger for my phone. You don't understand how useful this is, so now I have a reason to not drive my car with my friends in it. Because sometimes I literally just drive them.
God.
Sometimes I literally just drive.
Oh my God.
I'll put the song.
The dinosaur.
The what?
The freaking dinosaur.
Oh my God.
Oh, is it?
You really
So
wanted
here to
it.
watch.
Is that a squishy?
I'll
I had
show you
to
all
fly
this
to
up
China
close.
and back to get it.
Here we go.
You had to fly to China just to get that little.
That's so nice. She's
That's
kidding.
nice.
Come here, Abby. She's amazed at all the gifts Tyler got and how fast he opened them all.
What's funny about Tyler's
This
stuff,
can't even focus. Oh, there it is. So here's the watch in detail.
it is cute.
Love this, dude.
I
This
wanted
is
to squeeze it.
this is my
No,
favorite
let's
gift.
open this.
You know what? Thank God that you forgot that you wrapped this. I was so sad that this got stolen, but it's right here for me. That's awesome. We got a dinosaur, so I think she beat everybody. I'm about to put these on. Oh, don't worry. This thing can record for a minute.
There's a thing called editing tab.
Yeah, I'm not gonna. I'll edit some stuff out. You can tell me too if you want me to edit certain parts out. I can do that. I'm not gonna disobey you. People probably will tell me to do more videos with you after this. Dang it, your boy wrist is way too skinny.
Yeah, you get some clamps.
All right, so next I need to go to a jeweler and remove some clamps because your boys, ever since I broke my wrist, I don't know why, I lost so much, like tissue around my bone. So now it's literally my bone. I don't know, like look at this. It's an arm wall. I promise you I'm just not that skinny. Like you see me in person,
so
but
you
like.
can give Tyler back
Boy.
his Echo.
Flex. I need my mom to help me take it
But
off.
you have one in the bathroom.
Do you literally just like tear it off like that?
Yeah.
Okay. All right,
it
so
needs to be.
do you know where I can go to get clamps removed, or can I do that myself?
No. You got to go to like a Reed's or a Ross Simmons.
Well, I'm gonna do that today.
Or you got one more.
Yeah, this one. Again, portable charger.
Nice.
I got one more. All right, so finally, I think I know what these are because I did ask for something like this. So these, all right, yeah, these are Nike Air Force Ones. I don't even have to open the box to know. I've been asking for these for so long, and I finally got them. Clean Air Force Ones.
I like these. This right here.
I know. I love these. I haven't had a pair in like 2 months, so I needed another one badly. Absolutely. Now I'm gonna be cleaning these every day.
Tyler, we'll set up your phone
So,
here
Air
a little
Force
bit, okay?
Ones, the watch, the fam.
Oh, wow.
All right, those are all my gifts.
And what's that over
So
there?
we'll run back through them real quick. So first we got the Ross Simmons. This one's crazy. And then the red watch, which I need to go to a jeweler since my wrist is unhealthy and too skinny. And then we got, this one's gonna be useful. So I just carry this around if my friends or me need a charger. And then watch case. This is so nice. Yes, it is. Yeah. And then Air Force One, dead stock. And then, oh yeah, my running watch I got yesterday. Y'all don't see this, I left it down here, but I got a running watch since I need to get some motivation to run, so that thing's gonna get me up and running. Yeah, then Welch's.
Fluffy, huh?
Cotton candy. And Lifesavers. And the $50 iTunes gift card. Can't forget about this one. I almost forgot about this, but this one really good. And the Uber ones. So that's everything I got for Christmas. I thought it was dope. I thought this was really good. Thank you. Like this is, especially this. Like you don't understand how glad I am that you forgot that you like wrapped this. Like
oh my god.
Like this, I'm the most glad I've ever been that you forgot something. Seriously. She got Sweet Tarts, Lifesavers, $50 tin gift card, JBL speaker. She has an apple juice right there, MacBook computer, Echo Dot, a dinosaur, and I think I guessed all those correctly. I think I'm forgetting one. What's the black thing right there?
Some earrings.
Fire. All of us got some jewelry or something. And then Tyler, what the heck? Where all your gifts go, boy?
It's already all upstairs.
Dang, you skilled. So Tyler got the whole pack too, cause guess what? He got a whole iPhone.
He got an iPhone.
He got an iPhone.
He got a really nice iPhone.
You didn't need my
Yeah.
phone.
Hey, no,
Actually, Tyler has the same iPhone as me. A+. Yeah, we have the same iPhone. That's dope. Me and Tyler got the same iPhone now. But yeah, this is probably one. This is my like second favorite right here.
Jonathan.
I needed this.
he looks like a dinosaur.
But yeah, here's my Air Force One. And yeah, that's me and my family's Christmas. So hopefully y'all enjoyed it. And I'll roll that outro.
I want to take a picture.
Let me do the outro.
You want to get in my outro? Don't forget, like, subscribe, go comment.
Subscribe.
Tell-
Follow him on IG at Tristan Wick.
Do you want your Instagram?
Follow me on Instagram at Wick Gabby.
And him too
Follow me on
at Tyler
Instagram.
Wick. Tyler Wick 1.
Tyler Wick 1. We're the Wick family. See you next time.
Bop.